This is Daryl Terry, and this is the week 8 video, the second week of the SQL project. So let me begin by sharing the SQL code in the projects-schema SQL file located under the resources project folder. Here are the drop statements for the 5 tables, the create table statements along with creating the columns, setting the primary keys, the foreign keys, and the entity relationship diagram, project table, category table, material table, step table, and their respective relationships. And this is the many-to-many join table. And this is when I place the script into the Beaver. Here are the tables that were created along with the columns that were created in each table. And then show that that was in fact created in MySQL database. Here's the database, or the schema rather. Here are the tables and their respective columns. And that's the end of the video.